Oh, good morning, people. How you doing? Fine. Wow. I'm happy to see you guys again today, and I'm here to share a very wonderful, important tool that I think every personal developer need to have at the back of his hands. Yes. Now, that being said, now that tool is known as what Flash. Yes, we all know this guy, Flash. So Flash, as you know, it is very very important for our job as a personal developers because it helps us what save our memories, our steps. It helps us know how what and what we need to what adjust. It even helps us in our editing of our videos and so stuff. So now this particular flash I have here now has a particular memory size. There are different size. This one is a 64 gig size. You can see one of 2 gig, 4 gig, 8 gig, 16 gig, 32, and 64, and so on. Yes, but this device now helps us save our memories, our documents, our files, and helps us what adjust and arrange our programs. It's very very important tool for a personal developer. I even have another one here attached with keys stand. This is a HP flash drive, a HP flash drive to other HP flash drive. So I'd like us to go to the studio and learn how to what carefully handle our flash. This is a dual flash. You can plug it to a phone, you can plug it to what a system, a laptop or a desktop. So right on guys, let's go over to the studio.
Okay, so now this is the my dashboard. So I'm going to plug the flash now. So I've plugged the flash. Okay, so but I'm going to close this because this is not actually what I want to show. I want to show you how to be able to work on the flash. So now I'm going to open my file explorer. See the flash now. I seen it. Yes. So this is what is inside the flash. So just a picture. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to right click, yes, and I'm going to format the flash. I want to clear so the flash, and that format helps me to clear every file, every file form of file inside the flash. Yes, so this is the format space. So I click what next. It will ask me you want to erase all files. So click OK. That will be okay by me. So now it's running the process of wiping out. So you show me format what's complete. So you don't have a flash now and you bought it for the first time, it's good to also format it to clear from every previous file source so you want to close. Or if you just borrow it from a friend, still do the same stuff, clear it. Okay, now I want to be I see look at it, I see the flash now is empty. Let's see, I'm dragging out the screen, see it's empty. Yes, it's empty. Okay, so I'll close this up. Good. Then how do you plug out the flash from the system? You don't just pull it out from the system, bam. You have to right click.
Okay guys, wow, I'm so glad we all stick through that one. It was a quick one, but I hope you've learned how to handle your flash with care, and this time around how to insert into a PC, how to edit it carefully. And I would like to hear more from you, so please do like and share and subscribe and send to your friends. Somebody may really need it and may want to know what this is used for, so you can also hit me up on the description below. You can chat me up and what I'll get across to you. So thank you for listening. Do have a nice time. Bye bye. Love you. Peace.